When cause is completed, what we're going to provide is this fundamental knowledge of the biochemical changes that lead to somatic mutations. Our team is focused on tackling the grand challenge of understanding the mechanisms that drive different mutational signatures. During the past 10 or 15 years, we have generated very large catalogs of mutational signatures, but for most of them, we do not understand their molecular mechanisms. Understanding these mechanisms is key because we know that these signatures drive cancer development, but we do not know what causes this signature. And that's our vision. We want to understand what's the causative mechanism of mutational signatures. Understanding the causes of cancer has always been a grand challenge problem. We've always wanted to know what causes cancer because that's the only way for us to be able to prevent it. What's different now is we have the technologies to do that. And with these technologies, we can actually have unprecedented understanding of every single step that leads to mutations, and we can understand the molecular mechanisms underlying different mutational signatures. Cancer Grand Challenges provides funding for answering some of the most exciting questions in cancer biology. But more than that, it allows us to actually mix expertise across institutions, across countries, across continents. And to answer a fundamental question, what causes mutations and what causes mutational signatures, you need this funding model. You need something that allows you the flexibility to work at scale and to address basic fundamental questions. At the moment, we have a complete blind spot of what are the biochemical changes that lead to somatic mutations. And this blind spot affects cancer patients in many different ways. We have suboptimal chemotherapy. We do not know how to modulate endogenous processes that lead to cancer. We do not know how to prevent environmental processes that lead to cancer. When cause is completed, what we're going to provide is this fundamental knowledge of the biochemical changes that lead to somatic mutations. We're going to provide the foundations to build better chemotherapy, to better modulate the endogenous processes causing mutations, and to be able to prevent environmental mutagens.